Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's video will be an in-depth kind of video where I'm going to walk you step by step on how you can start making money with Foap. Foap is an awesome online platform that allows you to sell your photos and videos for brands, agencies, businesses, and other buyers. So what exactly is Foap and how does this platform work? Well, Foap is an online marketplace connecting creative content producers like yourself, for example, with brands, businesses, agencies, and other potential buyers looking to license visual assets. So as you can see here on their website, companies come to Foap to purchase photos, videos, and different graphics for their marketing projects and campaigns. So for example, say a digital marketing agency lands a new client and needs to source lifestyle photography for the brand's social media ads, or imagine a startup needs an explanatory product video created for their website. So instead of hiring dedicated photographers for these visual assets, these kind of businesses can simply come to Foap and license the photos, videos, and the other graphics that they need on demand for individual use. This is where Foap provides an amazing opportunity for us as creators to finally monetize our work. Foap allows you to easily upload and list your photos and videos and other content to start selling when businesses make purchases. So when a company buys your content on Foap, the platform shares 50% of the profit from that sale with you. So you can think of it as a straightforward, passive income kind of stream from your own creative work. Alright, so how can you get started making money by selling your content on Foap? The first step is to visit foap.com and click on Switch to Creators at the top of the site. This will bring you to the Foap Creator Hub where you can learn all about selling your photos and videos, and Foap recommends downloading their mobile app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. The Foap app will allow you to conveniently upload and manage your creative portfolio directly from your phone. Once your photos or videos are loaded into your Foap account, businesses are able to find and purchase licenses for them. Now let's talk a little bit about the Foap mobile app. Here's what the main home screen looks like once you download and open the Foap app on your mobile device. Near the top, you'll see featured photo and video missions that brands have sponsored on Foap. This can present good opportunities for us to earn some prize money. Scrolling down shows you the recent winning photos handpicked by Foap's editorial team, which will help give you an idea of the type of high quality content that tends to do well on this platform. And below that, you'll find row after row of additional brand-sponsored creative missions covering all sorts of categories such as food, travel, pets, and more. You'll want to enter missions relevant to your niche and the style of photos or videos that you create in order to maximize your earning potential. And now for leveraging the Foap missions. One of the best ways to make money on the Foap platform is by actively participating in the creative brand-sponsored missions. These photo and video missions essentially represents contests that different brands launch around certain themes or topics that they have a need for visual content around. For example, take a look at this video mission, Sponsored. As you can see, they are asking Foap creators to submit fun videos through their mobile app. The brand will then choose one winner who will receive the specified cash prize. Most missions are structured like this with very straightforward prompts that are easy to create relevant photo or video content around simply using your smartphone. Submitting your work to participate in relevant missions is a great way to get your photos and videos valuable exposure on the Foap platform. Even if you don't win, it can help more potential buyers discover your creative portfolio. And of course, if you do win one of these competitive brand-sponsored missions, that's just an awesome bonus source of income in addition to your earnings from content licensing sales. My advice is that you regularly enter new missions that closely match the niche and style of content that you specialize in to maximize your shot. So how can you start uploading your own photos, videos, or designs? It's pretty simple, just tap on the big circular camera icon along the bottom toolbar of the app. This will launch the media gallery on your phone device so you can browse and select the photos and videos from your camera roll that you wish to upload. Foap supports all of these standard image and video formats like JPG, PNG, MP4, etc. I would recommend starting out by uploading only your absolute best work that can show off your skills and are most likely to catch the eye of potential buyers. You can choose to upload content in larger batches all at once if you have a big portfolio ready to go. Either way, the key is to ensure you have a diverse collection of your best and most marketable work. The more quality photos and videos you have listed on Foap, the higher the chances of attracting licensing purchases. Now, Let's talk about additional features in the app. Here along the bottom of the app, the main menu gives you access to several other important sections. We have coins, which shows your current Foap coin balance, which is equivalent to the amount of cash earnings you have available from content licensing sales. You are able to cash out your earnings via PayPal once you hit the minimum threshold. Payment status allows you to monitor your pending balance and view your payout history. And withdraw money is where you can connect your PayPal account to withdraw your earnings. Finally, we have community, which connects you with other creators on Foap, which can be a great source of tips, inspiration, and also feedback. So in summary, that's the conclusive walkthrough of how to leverage Foap to start earning money by selling your photos, videos, and designs. I hope that this tutorial gave you a clear understanding of how to maximize Foap to start generating real passive income from your photos, videos, and artwork. Remember that consistency over time is absolutely key to success on Foap, as long as other businesses. The more quality content you upload to your profile, the more potential licensing opportunities you're going to have. Participating in relevant brand missions is a great way to boost exposure and secure some bonus prize earnings in the process. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to tap that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future videos that we make. Thanks so much for watching, and see you guys next time.